everyone. Welcome back to Learn and Chill English. Today, we're going to talk about hobbies and free time, how to explain what you like to do, ask others, and have real conversations in English.
Yes, we'll give lots of examples, mini conversations, and exercises so you can repeat along and practice your speaking. Remember, pause and speak with us. It's the best way to improve.
Let's start with a simple phrase. My favorite hobby is. For example, my favorite hobby is reading.
Good. You can also say, I like to. Like, I like to play football. Or, I like to draw in my free time.
Another way is I enjoy. For example, I enjoy cooking or I enjoy listening to music.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My favorite hobby is reading. I like to play football. I like to draw in my free time. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy listening to music.
Great. Now let's try a mini conversation. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming. And you?
I like to play guitar. It's very relaxing.
Perfect. Notice how short and clear sentences make English easier to understand.
Let's add more hobbies. You can say, I like hiking. I enjoy painting. I love dancing. I spend my free time playing video games.
Mini conversation. What do you like to do in your free time?
I usually go hiking. What about you?
I spend time playing video games or watching movies.
Awesome. Let's repeat these new phrases together. I like hiking. I enjoy painting. I love dancing. I spend my free time playing video games.
Now let's practice asking questions about hobbies. What do you like to do? What is your favorite hobby? Do you enjoy sports? What do you do in your free time?
Remember, when someone asks you, what do you like to do? You can answer with, I like to, I enjoy, my favorite hobby is.
Mini conversation. Hi, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play football and listen to music. And you?
I enjoy painting and cooking. I also like watching movies.
Nice. Now let's expand with daily routines around hobbies. I usually read in the evening. I go hiking on weekends. I play the guitar after work. I cook dinner with my family on Sundays.
And you can ask friends about their routines too. When do you usually paint? How often do you play football? What do you do on weekends?
Mini conversation. When do you usually play football?
I play football on Saturdays and Sundays. I usually hike on Sundays.
Let's practice repetition exercises. Repeat after me. I usually read in the evening. I go hiking on weekends. I play the guitar after work. I cook dinner with my family on Sundays.
Excellent. Now let's talk about different types of hobbies. Creative, drawing, painting, writing, singing, physical, running, dancing, swimming, football, relaxing, reading, listening to music, meditating, social, playing board games, going out with friends.
Mini conversation. What hobbies do you enjoy?
I enjoy creative hobbies like painting and writing. And you?
I like physical hobbies like running and dancing. I also enjoy relaxing with a book. Let's practice vocabulary. Drawing, painting, writing, singing, running, dancing, swimming, football, reading, music, meditating, board games, hanging out with friends.
Now let's make full sentences with these words. I enjoy painting and drawing in my free time. I like running and swimming on weekends. I love reading books and listening to music in the evening. I usually play board games or hang out with friends on Fridays.
Mini conversation. What do you usually do on Fridays?
I usually hang out with friends or play board games. I like listening to music and reading.
Let's add expressing frequency. I always read before bed. I usually play football on weekends. I sometimes go hiking. I never skip my evening walk.
Mini conversation. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually play football and go hiking. What about you?
I sometimes read or watch movies.
Now, let's do a long interactive review. Repeat with us. My favorite hobby is reading. I like to play football. I like to draw in my free time. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy listening to music.
I usually read in the evening. I go hiking on weekends. I play the guitar after work. I cook dinner with my family on Sundays.
I always read before bed. I usually play football on weekends. I sometimes go hiking. I never skip my evening walk.
Amazing! You're practicing a lot. Repeating sentences aloud is the fastest way to improve.
Exactly. Let's finish with a fun challenge. Talk to a friend or family member about your hobbies. Use at least 3 phrases we learned today.
Write your sentences in the comments. We love reading them.
Thanks for practicing with us on Learn and Chill English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and most importantly, have fun with your English.
You're doing amazing, one step at a time.
See you next time.
Bye!